Welcome. If you wanna find your download files on the ESSENTIELB Wooze L, let's go to the files. There is the downloads, but currently there is no items, so we can enter the Google Chrome and type here Selena Gomez. Click on the images, and we can download maybe this photo. So click, hold, and tap on the download image. Now we have to get access to the storage. So there is the permissions option that I record previous video. So if you don't know what is going on, just check our previous video. Click on the update permissions, click allow, and right now it is downloading. Now we are going back to the downloads, and there is the Selena Gomez picture on our ESSENTIELB Wooze L. So thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.